Asian needle ants, Pachycondyla chinensis, are aggressive stinging ants originating from Asia, notably Japan, China, and Korea. Introduced to the United States, they've formed colonies, raising concerns among ecologists and the public. This overview covers video about their taxonomy, morphology, behavior, distribution, ecological impact, and management strategies. But before, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Let's start the video. Taxonomy and morphology. Belonging to the Formicidae family, subfamily Paneraceae, Asian needle ants, Pachycondyla chinensis, are around 5 to 7 mm in length, dark brown to black, with distinctive shiny features. Notable features include powerful mandibles adapted for hunting, a venomous stinger, and segmented antennae crucial for communication. Behavior and ecology. These ants exhibit eusocial behavior in colonies with queens, male ants, and sterile female workers. Known for aggressive foraging, they feed on arthropods using their potent mandibles. Nests are constructed in soil or leaf litter, with interconnected chambers. Communication relies on pheromones and antennae sensitivity. Distribution and impact. Originally from Asia, particularly Japan, China, and Korea, Asian needle ants have spread to the southeastern United States. This invasive species can disrupt ecosystems by competing with native ants and predating on local fauna, potentially leading to ecological imbalances. Management and control. Various strategies are employed for control. Chemical control, using insecticides, is an option but needs careful consideration due to environmental impacts. Biological control involves introducing natural predators or parasites. Preventative measures include strict regulations on plant and soil importation, public education, and monitoring for early detection. Ongoing research is essential for developing effective management strategies. Asian needle ants pose ecological challenges when introduced to new regions. Their aggressive behavior and potent sting necessitate comprehensive management strategies considering ecological consequences and ecosystem well-being. Evolving approaches based on ongoing research are crucial to mitigating their impact and preserving biodiversity. I hope so now you will understand Asian needle ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.